Hey everyone, it's Mopar Keith. We're down at the body shop here at Noel Automotive, and we're gonna show you what it takes to get this car into sealer. So stick around and see how Chris does. And we are about ready to spray sealer on this 1968 Charger. And right here we've got our PPG K36 sealer. We're going to give the car, what, 2 coats?
Yep.
2 coats.
With
and
a
then
1.5.
with a 1.5 tip on the Intercraft sealer gun.
Yep.
And so let's see what happens. All right, never mind this random AAR CUDA in the paint shop. All right, so Chris has got 1 coat already applied to the car. Let's step into the paint booth and see how he's doing. So this is when you really start to see the car come together. Finally get some shine on it. You can see any imperfections. You can see the body line is nice and straight. Hopefully I don't find any small imperfections, but that's why we do what we do. So here's the other side, super straight and crisp. All right, Chris is on its final pass. 2 coats of K36 sealer, primer. You can really start to see how things are coming together. And we'll just take a little walk around the car. Everything is ready to go. Here's the right side of the car, nice and straight. 68 marker light on the side there. Just go up to the front. This car is taking a long time to get the body lines just right. Door gaps are perfect. So exciting to see this car come together from a very rusty 68 Charger basket case. We're finally gonna see some paint on this here in the next couple weeks. Let's go into the paint booth or the paint mixing room and talk to Chris about what he's done today. Hey, all right, so we got the K36 wet on wet sealer done. What gun are we using today?
So for the sealer, we use the Intercraft Drizzle. It's a TikTok gun we got. It works good. We use it for sealer and primer and stuff like that because you can switch the tip out. You can go from a 1.3 to a 1.7, just depending. They have 1.3, 1.5, and 1.7.
Right.
I use the 1.5 because we're going to end up sanding it, so we have a little bit more material to wet sand off.
Right. And the nice thing about that gun did not cost us a dime.
Nope.
And so it's good for sealers. Sealer is pretty nasty stuff.
Yes, it is. Very.
You know? All right, getting off his suit there.
Yep.
We got the dishwasher going. All right, so we got the gun for the most part clean. Do a little extra rinse. Now, is that as far as you're going to take it apart, probably?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. Just give it a good nylon brush scrub, and that'll be good enough for that sealer gun. So we got the side downdraft booth. We'll let this run over the lunch hour. Kind of got it on a, I can turn this down actually a little bit. Turn that down a little bit just to keep some air moving through there for the next hour. All right, so Chris, after you sprayed sealer on that 68 Dodge Charger, what are your plans for world domination?
Well, that's still in the works and that's classified, so we can't talk about that, or else.
Can't talk about it online, at least, anyway, right? Right. So.
But you can watch the YouTube video and find out.
Yeah, stay tuned for more on my YouTube channel about how Chris is going to conquer the world.
In an AAR.
In an AAR CUDA. Yep. All we need is some machine guns and a muscle car, and we're good to go.
And some sheet metal, and always, please reinforce your cooling systems.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, inside joke on the Marvin Heemeyer. Reinforce your cooling systems, yes. So wet on wet sealer, K36.
Yep.
What are the plans?
what is the next steps that we're going to take? I mean,
So-
I know, but tell our watchers, our viewers.
We're gonna let it sit and air out for about a week, and then we are gonna go in and wet block it with six or four or 600 depending. We'll probably go 6 on this one, and then once that's done, then we'll pull it apart and mask everything and
It's ready
start
for
doing
paint.
base coat, do
Yeah.
our jams, do our hood,
Yeah.
trunk lid, all that stuff. Do the engine bay one more time just to match everything, and then so we have no paint lines as well, or clear coat lines or anything like that.
Right. So yeah, we're definitely we're definitely more than halfway on the paint job procedures, but there's still a long ways to go. After it's painted, we cut and buff, and then comes vinyl top and headliner and glass and chrome and
Just
drivetrain, and
just assembly.
there's so much more work to come out, but all right, well, that concludes this episode of the Gold Charger. We watched Chris spray 2 coats of sealer on this. The next step is wet block sand it, and we're going to get it ready for paint. So as always, please like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching.